In this video, I will show you how to do binning. Binning in general is a process of transforming continuous numerical variables into discrete categorical bins for group analysis. So we're going to group the data. We're going to build three bins equal in length. So therefore, we need four dividers. And we're going to apply the function cut. Here is the code. We're going to use bin np dot line space min def. We're gonna use horsepower here, comma max def, again horsepower. Here we're gonna use number 4 as a dividers. Now we're gonna group them and we're gonna give name for each group. Equal, low, medium, and high. And then we're gonna use the function cut. Def horsepower then equal pd cut def horsepower bins, comma, labels group. Group names include lowest, true, close parenthesis. df, horsepower, horsepower bins. And then we're going to print the value. The last line of code will print the values. Hit Control B. So when we divide it into three bins, we name it low, medium, and high, and this is the count for each bin: 151 in low, 43 in the high, in the medium, and 5 of them on the high. The next video I will show you bin visualization by groups.